everybody? A bit of an early morning start. We got a car show today in Walnut Springs, hosted by I guess it's Joh Clay Wolfe from GimmeTheVan.com, and it's in Walnut Springs. So we're headed right now to go load up the van, and I'm gonna top off all the fluids and get it all right. Head on down, see if so I guess let's dive right into it. Ladies and gentlemen, there you go. Second annual Rattle and Roll car show in Walnut Springs has come to a close. There are lots of very, very nice cars. Obviously, my van is not one of those very, very nice cars, but it was unique, got a lot of attention. A lot of people talked to me about it. As far as the judging goes, the judges were supposed to be Chip Foose, Joh Clay Wolfe, Richard Rawlings, and then Richard Rawlings' buddy Bennis, I think is his name. Never saw them. They never came to our section of the car show. So, it is what it is. There was a lot of cars there. I was number 108, and there was a lot of cars that came after me. I know that's a lot of cars they got to look at, but let me know what you think about that. Should car show judges look at every car that's entered, or what? I'm not mad about it. I knew I wasn't going to win anything. I just wanted to kind of see their reaction to the van, see what they thought about it. Didn't happen. We're going to the next one. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and we got some more van stuff coming. We got some Envoy stuff coming, and I guess we'll see you guys on the next one.